Organizing your garden supplies and extra storage has never been this easy. The 8 by 7.5 foot garden building from Lifetime Products gives you the space necessary to keep your backyard and garage looking excellent. The spacious 53 square foot interior and heavy duty construction makes it perfect for your storage needs. The shed includes 2 large skylights, 3 small skylights, 1 shatterproof window, and 2 screen vents. And to help to organize the interior, it also comes with 1 90 by 9 inch shelf and a peg strip with hooks to hang hand tools. The steel reinforced doors create a 4.5 by 6 foot high opening. It's specifically designed to have more headroom throughout the entrance, and with our lockable doors and internal latching mechanism, your items will be safe and secure. The interior has a 6 foot 8 inch interior height from floor to roof truss, making it easy to walk around, stack boxes, and store pretty much anything. The convenient centralized location of the doors on the garden shed also allows for access to your storage without the need to climb over things to reach the back. Lifetime also offers additional shelves, allowing you to get creative with your shed and customize it to fit your needs. Make sure to select a location for your shed that is large enough to accommodate the size. For best performance, we recommend using a level cement, wood, asphalt, or patio surface. The Lifetime 8 by 10 foot garden shed is constructed of UV-resistant, high-density polyethylene. The UV protection makes our buildings resistant to heat and extended exposure to the elements, including fading, warping, chipping, or splitting. With no need to paint or stain, our garden buildings are low maintenance, stain resistant, and keep their design and good looks for years to come. Lifetime uses blow molding technology for the walls, roof, and floor panels, double walled for added strength. Our double wall buildings also have heavy duty steel reinforcements to ensure superior durability. The steel provides extra strength to eliminate warping or bending in the wall and roof panels. Our garden sheds have a heavy duty steel reinforced roof, and a high pitched design allows for quick drainage of rain and snow. The Lifetime buildings are not only built for strength and durability, they also have an attractive appearance and design to complement the beauty of your backyard. So let a Lifetime 8 by 7.5 foot garden shed be your gardening and storage solution. With its durability and design, it will be the envy of your neighborhood.